Crispy. Or normal contest. Okay. How are you now, Julia Montes?
First and foremost, I would like to thank to the people who are still watching right now tonight and the Board of Judges. Thank you so much. Happy Fiesta, Barangay Arboran.
May gusto ko batiin dyan?
Honestly, this is my first time to join here in this pageant, and I am so lucky that I belong to the top 8.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay. Julia, you pick your question. Yeah, sure.
My question goes like this. What is the best solution to solve poverty? Okay, that is a very exciting question for me. I believe that the most and the biggest problem that we are facing right now in our country is the poverty. I believe that living in this world is such a very challenge and a big challenge to each and every one. I know that poverty is the major problem that we are facing right now. So what is the best solution for us to be success and improve here in our country? I believe that, yes, I am a homosexual right now, but definitely I know that I have something to prove. That I can be a good role model to each and every one. Definitely the best solution for the poverty is the free quality education. I believe, ladies and gentlemen, that here in our country we are losing a very low quality education, because I know that a lot of youth right now is engaging a lot of problems, such as drinking liquors, taking alcohol and drugs. I know that way could not be improve you into a success. Definitely, if we can have the free quality education, I know that our country will be in development and improvement. That will be all, and thank you so much.
Thank you, Ms. Julia.